is Mr. Lee, and today is March 1st, 2017. We're doing Chapter 6, Lesson 1, which is on geometry and finding the areas of right triangles. So what we're going to do right now, let's write down our objective. And our objective is going to be this. My objective today, students will be able to investigate area of triangles. All right, so let's draw a line right here, and we're going to do this Cornell note style. So that means on my left-hand side is everything I need for vocab. So our vocab today is going to be this. My vocab, I'm going to have triangles, which are, stuff you learn from kindergarten, pointy things. We have triangles, area, we've got height, we've got base. So let's do a quick warm-up. And my warm-up is going to be this. My warm-up, I'm going to look at a parallelogram. And a parallelogram is a type or a fancier name for a rectangle. So right here, I've got this guy. And a parallelogram means I just have two sets of lines. The left side and the right side, they're parallel. They'll never touch each other. And the top and the bottom will never touch each other. So let's find the area of this guy was measured by 6 by 10. So we want area. And when I'm going to get my area, I use this formula. Area equals length times width. So what I'm going to do, this is 10 long and 6 wide. So I could do area equals 10 times 6. Or I can just say 60 units squared, or to the second power. Remember, when we find area, we're finding the measurements of the inside, and we're covering it with tiny little squares. So now let's go deeper. Let's think deep. Let's go deep. And when I go deeper, I'm going to do this. I'm going to draw the same parallelogram, and he's still 6 by 10. But now, something's a little bit different. He is now going to be cut in half. So I'm going to cut this dude in half. And you'll notice that I've got two triangles. And I'll color one in. And when I color this in right here, I know the area of my rectangle. This dude is 60. So right now, area is this. Area of a triangle, it's going to be this. If we look at our parallelogram, the area is 60. And we have a triangle right here. We have two triangles. One triangle, his area is what? Well, it's half of that. It's going to be 30. So one way that we could write this down, area of a rectangle is length times width. But area of a triangle is going to be half the length times width. Because we're dealing with triangles, they have a different name for their length and width. For triangles now, instead of length and width, the length is called base, and the width, we'll call that height. So it's half the base times height. Or we could say A equals half BH.